Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about picture collage walls. So I know that this is real common in homes and people like to display their family photos, which we all love, but it's hard to know what walls to do it on. So a wall on the way into a master is a great way because it's kind of like a private, intimate wall into the master bedroom. And what I love about this way is that this is a great way to add layering to photos. So these are just like regular hooks that you can purchase. You can get these at Hobby Lobby or Amazon or that kind of thing, anywhere where they sell hooks, and you can do them for your just decor style. You can mix the styles if you want, and then you just buy regular photo frames like so. You'll want to get different sizes. So these are like square and rectangular, and then you place the hooks close enough where you're just kind of overlapping and stacking the photos. A way to achieve a cohesive look is to make sure all the frames are the same. So like these look very clean, and they did black and white, but you could switch it up just depending on what your look is in your home. But I just love how it adds some dimension, adds texture, and it looks very clean and cohesive, and it's a great way to display family photos. So that's just a little tip. Again, you can get these at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at the frames at like Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and then you just add a little hook to them or with rope, put them on your hooks, and stack and layer away. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.